Another request that I often get is how to combine information. So another tool that we have under data is combine parameters. For example, here I have my sheet list. I have my ISO 19650 naming set up in this project, and I've done it in such a way that I have a separate parameter for each field. However, on a drawn register, you don't want it all in separate cells. You want like one combined sheet number. So what I have figured out in Navigate is I can take all of these parameters and combine them into one sheet number automatically. And I can save that script then as well to keep basically running it throughout the duration of the project every time I add new sheets or if any naming changed. So I'm going to jump into this tool called Combine. And again, it's going to give me my standard interface of my categories and my parameters. So I want to look at sheets. And here are all my parameters in the list. So I know which ones I want to combine. I want to combine all of my ISO 19650 parameters into one, what Navigate refers to as a destination parameter. So I'm going to combine all of these. That's my zone, my level, type code, my row code, and finally my sheet number. If you want to add on anything else onto that, you can. And I want to make sure that I have my dash between each one of my fields as well. So that's going to be my settings. And then I want to pick my destination parameter. So my destination parameter is combined sheet number. That's the one I made earlier, and that's the one here. And again, to save me time in the future, I can save this off as a preset so that each time I want to come in, I simply just have to select my preset from the list and combine values. So as soon as I hit this now, it's going to let me know that 11 elements have been updated. And if I close this box now, that's instantly gone in and all of my sheet numbers have been combined. So I can use that on my cover page or my drawn register at the start of my pack of drawings, and it's just one neat field. So that's some of the tools that we have in underneath data that I find really, really useful in order to speed up some time.